Yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick video of the antenna and the radio. Now that I've got it back from Becker Audio Sound, just wanted to show you the antenna working and show you how the radio is working and the Bluetooth, and maybe you could hear how the sound is. It's actually pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the antenna first. So it's down because the radio is in the off position. And I'll turn it on. And you can see it's max there. So now I'll show you the radio, and you can hear it playing already. Okay, so that's the radio. It has AM and FM, and the tape deck should work. I just don't have a tape to try it out. I'm gonna try to find one, but I'm assuming it'll work because if it doesn't, it's under warranty anyways. But you can see I haven't. You try different stations with the scan. Okay, and then I'll show you the Bluetooth. Now if I go Bluetooth, you switch it to the AM position. And let's see if I can continue with this video while I play there. So this is playing off of my phone right now. I'll change to the next song. And I don't know if you can hear the sound quality, but I'm impressed for the age of the speakers, the age of the technology. Okay. All right, so that's it. Thanks.